Alright, welcome to the second part of the expense report video. We're going to start off on the InterNerve homepage. Really easy URL right here, internerve.com. In order to access the expense report portal, you're going to need to go down to the login button here at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on that, you'll get to a secure login page. Please, as stated before in the first video, make sure that you've set that up with George. Once you have, you will be able to go to a login site, and then you'll get to this page here, which is pretty much the secure InterNerve staff portal. You can see right here, expense report is at the very bottom. All you'll need to do is simply click on that. To reach the videos, you've come through this link right here, expense training. So we'll click on expense report. And as discussed in the first video, there's 4 different links, and it depends on which category you need to apply for. For demonstration purposes, we're just going to use the one that almost everybody will use, and that's the technologist link. So just click on that, and that will take you directly to the page. So, just to set up this demonstration, we're going to say that we are at Long Beach Memorial in California, and it doesn't really matter which region I am in, or which region is my home region. I'm going to pretend I'm in Colorado, because I am. So first name, we'll put in Glenn, last name Summerfeld, hospital, Long Beach Memorial. So now we need to choose the region that the monitoring took place. Long Beach Memorial is in California, and the state is also going to be California. Now this is set up so in the future, if California gets broken up into 2 regions, we could say we could simply change the region to, let's say, Los Angeles or Southern California. But then you still need to identify the state for tax purposes, and that's why there's the duplicity there. The email address of the technologist submitting the report. And then you're simply going to put in the date. For purposes, I'm going to say that this expense took place on February 2nd, 2011. Let's say that I drove to the hospital from the airport, and let's say that that was 30 miles. So I'm going to put it down as mileage, and I'm going to say there's 30 miles traveled, and as everybody knows, currently we have a deduction of 20. So therefore, I'm submitting for a total of 10 miles. And the current rate is at 51 cents. Equals $5.10 for mileage reimbursement. Right here in item cost, $5.10. Item to date, we'll say that it is 2/2/11 again. And during my travels I had lunch, so I will go down and choose lunch. Item 2 description, it will be lunch at In and Out Burger. We don't have those in Colorado, so every time I go to California I do try and get there. So lunch at In and Out Burger. I had a number 2 combo, and the cost of that is going to be $8.55. Right here again we put $8.55. finally, expense 3 is I had to pay a parking toll, so I will put toll. This could be a toll for a toll road as well, but I'm going to put in parking toll at the Pikes Peak lot at DIA, which is Denver International Airport, and that happened to be, it's about, I think it's $8 a day to park there, so we've got $8. So we've got those 3 items. The one downfall that everybody's going to be sad about is, unfortunately, it is not going to add up the total for you. So we're going to have to do this the old-fashioned way. Go to your all programs, down to your accessories, hit the calculator. 510 plus 855 plus, forgot to put it in there, $8 plus $8 equals $21.65. We'll scroll all the way down here to total reimbursement, $21.65. Now, receipt upload. What the accounting office is asking is that we paste all of our receipts the long way on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper that's blank on the back. All those receipts need to be up and down the long ways, and no more than 3 receipts to a page. That way it just avoids clutter. Scan those in, and then we'll upload those. Mine right here says Glenn Sommerfeld expense for 2/2/11. Those are my receipts. So I will go back to the portal and I will browse for those. I put them on my desktop. There we go. And we've got my expense report uploaded, and all we have to do is hit submit. Now what that's going to do is that's going to actually send it to Alex Camacho, as he is the director of California, and he needs to make sure that I did not spend too much on lunch, that I didn't spend too much on gas, and then he'll go ahead and he'll forward that to Dara, and that's the process. Once again, if you do have any questions about that, please let me know. We're going to jump back to the expense report really quick. I want to point out a few things here. Well, we'll see about how fast the internet is here at the home office. Let's hit refresh.